Hey y'all, I'm Reba. Thanks for checking out my channel. I have really been trying to incorporate Dr. Michael Greger's Daily Dozen into my daily life. It has really helped me focus on my health and making sure I'm incorporating those things into my diet that I really need, and the research shows will help you have optimal good health. Today I'm going to show you how to make some recipes that incorporate some of those key things. So the first one we're going to make today are cheesy cauliflower potatoes. I have everything mixed up well now, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of turmeric. That's also going to help give it that cheesy color. Of course, a little black pepper to make the turmeric more bioavailable. And add just a little garlic salt. When I eat my potatoes, I'll probably add a little bit more, but just a smidge. A half cup of nutritional yeast. That's also going to help with that cheesy flavor. And then to make it really fresh and bright tasting, I'm going to put some lemon juice in here. And when I eat them, I'll add some fresh herbs on top. And then just mix up a little bit more.